Don't be scared off by the winter weather here in Margaret River, because we're going to show you exactly what to do when it's raining just like this. It's pretty grim. Let's get out of here. It's breakfast time. First up is the famous Margaret River Bakery. You cannot go through Margaret River town without hitting up the bakery there. It is absolutely amazing, super cozy. The best pies, sausage rolls, pastries, toasties, sandwiches. You just have to wait and see. It's absolutely amazing. So that's the first stop, and then yeah, on to the rest of the winter itinerary here in Margaret River. Let's go. Get a sausage roll, please. Yes, please. Game on. Really just got to see it's going off like a frog in a sock here. Unreal. What a way to start the morning. So we're absolutely chockers after the feed from the bakery, and we're off to Lake Cave. It's a magical cave here in the southwest, one of literally many here that you can choose from, and yeah, it's a perfect time to do that when it's raining here because we'll be underground, so we'll see you there. Probably one of the coolest caves I've seen down here in the Margaret River region. Tess, our guide, was saying we're pretty lucky to have some water in there. So if you're down in the area and you want to see this beautiful lake cave with water in it, now's probably the time. We're in the famous wine region, so it'd be rude not to hit up a winery right now. So we're heading to one of the more famous ones, Aravina Estate. There's plenty of others around, which we do recommend, but this one also has the WA Surf Gallery, which has some really cool retro surfboards and cars in there. So something pretty fun to do and cool to see when it's raining like today. So time for a bit of a wine break. I'm obviously Deso driver, so the lucky passengers in the back here, and behind the camera will be having a couple of wines. So see you there. Aravina Estate, which everyone absolutely loved. The wine was beautiful, the staff were lovely, and the surf gallery was absolutely sick. So definitely check that out if you're in the region next time you come visit. Finish off the night, we are hitting up Beerfarm. Apparently on a Friday night they had a mega barbecue night, which you have to pre-order and pre-book. So thinking tomahawk steaks, barbecue ribs, everything in between. Looking forward to that. We're gonna head home, freshen up, and then we'll take you guys with us. And then that's it from us. So next time you're in the southwest region and need a place to stay, be sure to check out Margaret River Properties. We'll definitely have something for you. Come enjoy this Margaret River region.